Okay, today is the 19th of 12th, 2022. Our series for today, this is one of maybe about 10. So we're just trimming and cutting the canvas to make them grow bigger. This is a part of our maintenance program. Okay, and we're also fertilising another 3 or 4 tonne, 5 tonne. There's over 700 litres, nearly a tonne in those drums. And we're just emptying them every 10-15 minutes and top them up, so it really adds up. You can see by the success of the growth is because of our fertiliser and the strategic planting locations and the bulbs and the clusters that we planted has saved and stopped all erosion and any landslide. Only one small one which we had over the weekend because it was huge ongoing rains here, and you just see how it stops. And all that erosion brings the soil behind the back of these hedgerows, saving your topsoil from getting washed out. See these gutters here, they're empty. Okay, this is remarkable. There's so much rain, there's so much coming down, but they also create all the shoots that come from the cluster, and also the bulb as they're filling up at the back, they keep shooting and growing roots into it, so it'll eventually have a big terrace at the back of these rows. Maybe it's going to be a metre in the coming 6 months. Right, that's why we're putting a lot of emphasis on growing a lot in the front. Plus, it's a real anchor for the whole project, because you don't want massive amounts of topsoil getting washed away, or clay. The cost of removing it, okay, for labour, and also more topsoil we lose, more vulnerable the site is in the landslides. And if you're only left with rock without clay, then how can plants or vertebrate grow just in pure rock? Cannot. So this is very important to save the soil, to save the this is that small erosion slide today. And what they've done, they covered up the slide as an urgency. We're going to be next Tuesday on the 28th, we're going to be cutting all the grass out of, slicing them up and pulling the thousands of vertebrae underneath that. And we'll be planting plenty more on top of it. And we've resolved that. That's today. That's after we started. The site looks green already. Okay, now, if we have to do that 3 times, depends just on the what happens with the rain and the unpredictable erosion. This is the only erosion problem we've had 8 months. And now they're just starting to take off. I mean, the vertebrae is really growing. Extreme. Look, you can see the background of it there. And you can see by here, there's a huge amount of topsoil that it's saving up. See, look at them, they're shooting all through that topsoil. And that growing the roots, and see the bamboo shoots here, and every one of those bamboo shoots is going to go roots. We got a lot to share. Please subscribe. We're going to be revealing more and more of our trade secrets, our experience, how we do things, and how we achieve what we achieve. Thank you for all the followers. This is Vertebrate Grass King Saba. Thank you for subscribing.